Okay, so let's begin. Let's take an example. Okay, I'm taking an example. So to show you how do we subtract. It's very similar to how we add. Subtract, I'm taking the number 2.63 from 5.78. Okay, so always remember in mind that whenever we always subtract smaller number from a bigger number. Yes? So here in this case, which is the bigger number?
5.78.
5.78 bigger number. And the smaller number we will be subtracting from this. And how we will write? Decimal point should come below the decimal point. Right? Ones place below the ones place, tens place below the tens place, hundreds place below hundreds place. Each place value has its own place. Right? So you must write the numbers properly. And then you subtract as you usually do. 8 minus 3 gives you 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. Decimal below decimal will be decimal. Okay, 5 minus 2 will give you 3. So this is your answer. You get it? It's simple. Okay. Now what do you do to check your work? Whether your answer is correct or not. How will you check?
Ma'am, we add the
Ma'am, we add 3.15 and 2.63.
You
ma'am,
add
we add
these
the
numbers.
difference and the
2.15 and 2.
subtrahend.
Very good. So please check when you add these two numbers, you should get this number. Please check.
Ma'am, we need to add the difference and the subtrahend.
Yes, you need to add the difference and the number that you have subtracted.
Ma'am, 5.78.
So you need to add them. So 7. So this is the number. Okay, so this is the way you check your work. Let's take another example. Example number 2. This is subtract 2.98 from 6.50. Now Adya will tell me which is the bigger number here.
Ma'am, 6.50.
6.50. And otherwise also it's very clearly written in the question. You have to subtract this number from this number. Okay, in this question it's clearly written. But sometimes you are just given the number, subtract one number from another number. So in that case, you should always see the bigger number first. So write the bigger number on top. Okay, and place the smaller number below it as per the proper place values. Okay, and then subtract. Now Harshit will tell me what answer you get after subtracting. Yes, Harshit. Harshit, can you hear me?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
3.52, ma'am.
3.52. Okay. Neha, is it the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavesh, is it the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Bhavesh will do the check work. Bhavesh, check now. Is it really a correct answer? Do the check work. How will you
Ma'am, 1
do?
second.
Hurry up, Bhavesh.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, it's correct.
It's correct? Okay, what did you do to check the work?
Ma'am, I added 6.50 and 2.98.
You added 6.50.
No, I by mistakenly told that. Ma'am, I added 3.52 and 2.98.
Hmm. And you got the same number? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do the next one. Subtract 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometers.
Can I answer?
Yes, Neha, say
Ma'am, it's 3.155.
3.155. Okay. Okay. Good, Neha. Okay, and you similarly you can do the check work by adding these two numbers. Right? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Now, find the value of
Ma'am, is it 3.255 or 3.155?
3.155. See, when you take 1 here, you borrow 1 here, it becomes 10. And this will be 1 left. Okay, and please find the value of this.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, is it 1.847?
1.847. Okay.
Ma'am, I got a different answer.
Okay. What is your answer?
Ma'am, I got 1.753.
1.753. Okay. Others also please give your answers. This is 3. 9 minus 4 will be 5. And we have 5 left here. So 15 minus 8 will be 7. So answer is coming out to be this. Yes, Harshit, the answer is 1.753. Okay. Okay, Harshit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's do example number 5. Okay, subtract 5/10 minus 300. Do this. Do this. How will you write 5/10? First write the numbers. Okay, Adya, tell me how will you write 5/10?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Neha, tell me how will you write 5/10?
0.5.
0.5. Okay. Bhavesh, tell me how will you write 300?
Ma'am, 300s, we can write like 0.03.
0.03. And now we will do the subtraction. Now you have got the numbers. Now you will do the subtraction.
Ma'am, I did the subtraction. Can I tell the answer?
Okay.
Ma'am, I also did.
Okay.
Ma'am, is
Wait,
it 0?
wait. Adya, tell me.
Ma'am? 0.47.
0.47. Okay. I'm just writing. Please check the answer. Others, please match your answer. Have all got the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Good, Adya. Okay,
Thank
let's
you.
take another example. Okay, let's take a word problem now. Okay, please write down Ravi's school is at a distance of 6 kilometers, 305 meters from his house. He travels 2 kilometers, 500 meters on foot and the rest by bus. Okay. How much does he travel by bus? How much? So this is your question. You have to find how much does he travel by bus. Ravi's school is at a distance. So much is the total distance from his house. He travels this much, 2 kilometers, 500 meters by foot, and the rest by bus. So what will you do in this case?
Ma'am, subtraction.
Yes. What will you subtract from what?
Ma'am, we should subtract the total distance from his house to the school and how much he traveled on the feet.
So which number you will write on top?
6.305.
Yes, the bigger number, that is 6 kilometers. Okay, please write. So, please write the statement first. It's a word problem, no? So, what will be your first statement? Neha, tell this first statement.
Distance between Ravi's school and his house.
So, distance from home to school we can write.
Yes.
Okay, so distance from home to school. Is 6 kilometers, 305 meters. And if we convert this whole thing to meters, then what will it be? If I have to convert the whole thing, Neha?
Ma'am, it will be 6,305 meters.
6,305 meters. Okay. No, I'm saying if I have to convert this whole thing to kilometers.
Kilometer. Ma'am, it's 6.305.
6.305 kilometers. Right? Okay. Okay. Harshit, now tell me the next statement.
Distance traveled by foot.
Distance traveled by foot. Okay. So, what will be the number if I convert it to kilometers?
Ma'am, it will be 2.5 meters. Kilometers.
Very good. It will be 2.5 kilometers. 1 second. Just a second, beta. Please carry on. You can carry on.
I'm done.
Okay. Yes, Bhavesh. What is your answer?
My answer is 3 kilometers, 805 meters.
How much is that?
Ma'am, 8 kilometers. Ma'am, 3 kilometers, 805 meters.
This is this much. It's
Yes,
this
ma'am.
3.805.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from the total distance, I have to subtract the distance covered by foot. So when we subtract it, we get 5 here, 0 here, then we have 8, then we have 3. So that's correct. Okay, Bhavesh, your answer is correct. So your last statement will be what? How do you write the answer? Distance traveled by bus. The question that is asked, the distance traveled by bus is equal to 3.805 kilometers. That's your final statement. So you can write distance traveled by distance.
Ma'am, over. My answer is this.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my answer is this.
Your answer is
805.
3.805.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, what's happening? Okay, beta. Okay, Vicha, that's correct. Okay, so let's take another question. This was example number 6. Now we have example 7. Okay. Let's take another word problem. Deepak bought vegetables. (15 kg). Okay. Out of this, now total vegetables he bought 15 kg. And out of this, 4 kg, 700 grams were tomatoes. 3 kg, 500 grams are potatoes. And the rest is onions. Okay, what is the weight of onions? Okay, so please find the weight of onions. Okay, I'll ask each one of you your first statements. Abhya will tell me the first statement. Abhya, what is the statement?
In 1 minute. Ma'am, Deepak bought vegetables 15 kgs. Out of this, 4 kgs.
Tell me your first statement. Now first statement will be,
Ma'am, tomatoes bought by him is equals to 4 kg 700 grams.
okay, that is also fine. But your whatever sentence is given first in the question, you always make it a first statement. So your first statement will be total vegetables bought. Okay.
Total vegetables bought by Deepak is equals to 15 kgs.
So we'll try to keep the statement as short as possible. Total vegetables bought is equal to 15 kg. Okay. Harshit, your next statement.
Ma'am, the weight of tomatoes bought by
Just write weight of tomatoes. Okay. Weight of tomatoes is 4 kg 700 grams.
yes, ma'am.
So when you convert this to only kgs, then what will it be?
4.7 grams kgs.
4.7 kilos. Okay. Next, Neha, what will be the next statement?
Weight of potatoes.
Weight of potatoes. Okay. That is 3 kg 500 grams given. So when you convert it to only kgs, it will be
3.5 kgs.
0.5 kgs. Oh God, today one note is giving trouble. Okay. So what will you do in this? What will be your first next step after this?
Mom, first we add the weight of tomatoes and potatoes, and then we subtract it with the total weight of vegetables.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. So first you will add the weight of tomatoes and potatoes, and then you will subtract that total from the total weight of vegetables. Right? Chalo, start doing.
I got the answer.
You got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We can give your answer.
Ma'am, the next statement will be
No,
weight
we
of
have already written all the statements. So just give your answer. What do you get? Just give me the final answer so that others can also check their calculations.
now it's 6.8 kgs
Uh,
of
six,
onions.
6
8 kgs of ma'am, the final answer. Onions.
This is the final answer.
Yes, ma'am. The
Okay.
weight of onions.
Okay. Okay. Let everyone do. Then we'll check. Okay. Whether all are getting the same answer.
And got the
And I
final.
got the same answer, ma'am.
Okay. You got the same answer. Great. So what is the total weight of only potatoes and tomatoes?
8.2 kgs.
8
Ma'am, 8.2.
kgs. So weight of onions will be 15 minus 8.2. So that is 8 and 6.8 kgs. Okay. Good bit. Okay, let's do another example. This was 7th. Let's take another example number 8. Okay. Okay, let's take this. Tina had 20 meter, 5 centimeter long cloth. She cuts. Oh, again. She cuts 4 meter, 50 centimeter. Carry on, I'm saying. She cuts 4 meter, 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. Did we do this question earlier? Have we done this question earlier?
I don't think so.
I think in yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday we did.
Yes. Okay, then leave this question. Don't take this question. We'll take some other question. Okay, let's take another question. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Rani had rupees 18.50 paise. Rani had rupees 18.50 paise. She bought 1 ice cream. She bought 1 ice cream for rupees 11.75. How much money does she have now? How much money does she have now? That means how much money is left with her after buying the ice cream. Yes? So please write the statement twice. I'm not writing now. You will write the statement. I'll just write the answer. You will give me the answer. Okay, Adya, what is your first statement?
Rani had is equals to 18.50 rupees.
Okay. Total money with Rani is 18 rupees 50 paise. Okay, your next statement, Harshad.
The ice cream she bought is equals to 11.75 rupees.
Okay, cost of ice cream is 11.75. Okay, then what is the next step? Bhavesh will tell me. Bhavesh, what is the next step?
Ma'am, we need to write the question. How much money does she have now?
So what
Then
is
we will start, and then we will subtract 18 rupees 50 paise and 11 rupees 75 paise.
Yes, do then, do. Everyone please do. Neha, give me the answer.
The answer is 16.75 rupees.
16.75?
Yes, ma'am.
16. How it gets 16.75? It's 18 minus 11. So 16 cannot come, no? It will be 6.75.
6.7.
Please check your work again. It must be 6.75. So your final answer statement will be money left with Rani is rupees 6.75. Okay. Okay, let's take another question. Next example. What should be added to? What should be added to 9.107 to get 12? What should be added to 9.107 to get 12? So what will you do in this case?
Ma'am, subtraction of 12 and 9.107.
Yes. Okay. So you will subtract 9.107 from 12. So what should be added? When you add something to 9.107, then you should get 12. So that means from 12, you will be subtracting it. Okay. So what do you get?
And I got the answer.
Tell me the answer.
And the answer is 2.893.
893.
Yes, ma'am.
2.993.
This is, see, this will be 10 minus 7, 9 and 8. And here it will be 11. 11 minus 2.893. Okay.
2.893.
Okay, so that means 2.893 should be added to, should be added. Okay, this is the answer. 2.893 should be added. Okay, let's take another example. Please write down what should be added to what should be added to sum of 4.5 and 2.65. This is 6. 4.5 and 2.65 to get 9.5. What should be added to sum of these two numbers to get 9.5? So what will you do in this case? Neha will tell you. What we will do first, Neha?
Ma'am, first we need to add 4.5 and 2.65.
Very good. First, we should add these two numbers. Then
And then we need to subtract it from 9.5.
we should subtract it from 9.5. Very good. Okay. So let's do. How will you do this? So children, first we will divide what should be added to the sum. So first we'll find the sum. So that means, let's take 4.5 plus 2.65. First you will find the sum of these two, and then you will subtract this sum from 9.5. Right? Like this. So find the sum first. 4.5 and 2.5 is how much?
It's 7.1.
7.15. Okay. Okay, Adya, tell me what do you get after subtraction?
I'm doing the answer one.
Okay, do. Harshit, do.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, is the answer 2.35?
What is it? Your voice is cracking.
2.35.
2.35. Okay. Others, please check. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Good. Okay, I hope you are understanding these. Okay, let's time up now. Let's take one last question. Okay, just write this. Write the decimal form. Now you have to write in the decimal form. Write the decimal form. 1 plus 7 upon 1000. So please give the number. One small question.
I'm done.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Say.
Yes, ma'am, it's 1.007.
1.00. So 7 by 1000 will be 0.007. So when you add both these numbers, you get 1.007. Very good. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, I hope
Ma'am,
class was clear to you. Yes? Yes, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Something? Harshit is saying something?
I'm saying that I got the same answer.
Very good, Harshit. So, I hope you have understood in today's class. Was it helpful to you?
Yes, ma'am. It's helpful.
Yes, ma'am.
You must practice such questions. Okay, I'll give you some homework questions also in a form of worksheet. You must do that. Okay, children, thank you for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, beta. You too.